So welcome guys. So this is our part 2, the continuation of our website. So in this part we will make a sign up button and a sign in button. But before that, we are going back in our VisualStudio Code and locate our navbar. So here, so I have already did the code, so we can paste this. So this is our codes on login button and a sign up button. So if we are going to our website and refresh, so this is our sign up and login button, these two here. And next we are going to create first our sign up button here, our form here. So in order that, we are going to make a file which is named as signup.php. So since I have already the code, we can paste it. This code is from my instructor, so I copy it and we will going to edit this one. So if we refresh our page, so this is our sign up form here. So as we can see here, and we are going to put an avatar here. So since I've already downloaded the avatar, so we are going to copy and paste it in our folder, which is the Tech Online Shop page. So we are going to Ctrl V to paste our avatar. So going back in the VisualStudio Code, so we are going to put a image here. So img and avatar.png. So if we are going to refresh our page, so this is our avatar here. So as you can see here, we already replaced our new avatar. And here we are going to create first a database. Create and name of our table, which is TBL shop of name of the table. And here we are going to fill it, the box, and user ID, uname, password, and last name. And here is our F name. Here is date, and the type is integer, and here is varchar. So this is our table here, which is user ID, uname, password, lname, and fname. So this is our database. So here in our Visual Studio Code, we are going to create a new file and name that is login check. I mean save data.php. So here we are going to create a PHP code, and we are going to type require once. So require once, and then here is our database. So next is uname, variable uname is equal to post and uname. So we are going to copy this one and paste it here. Going to paste it here and here. So we are going to edit this one as password, and here is pass. So here the ND5 represents that your password will be encrypted in our database. So I will show you the encrypted password later. So here we are going to edit this one as lname, and here is lname, so here in our variable we are going to edit this as fname. Uname represents username and password, lname represents last name, and the last fname represents as first name. So I have already the code, so we are going to paste, and this is our code here. If we are going and edit this as sign up, and here is sign up. So this one is our database here. So first, we are going to create a new folder which is named as database. And here, inside the database, we are going to create a connection which is dbcon.php. And here, we are going to paste our code here. The localhost and the user is root since we have no password. So this is our name of our database. So we are going to copy and paste here in our db name. We are going to refresh our page and put the action here. So folder is equal to process, which is the process here, which is our process. And here is going to type page and save data.php. But before that, we are going to create a process. And we are going to drag this save data from process here. So I am going to explain the flow of our signup.php. So if we are going to fill these fields from username, password, last name, and first name, and click the submit button, which is the button is login. If you click submit, it will go here. It will go to the action here. We'll go to process and go to save data with method is post. So here, this is our process. So inside in our process is our save data. So here, this is our if we are going back in our, so we have a error here, so we are going to refresh and type again. So nothing's happened. We are going to fix our code here. So here in require ones, we are not able to put a database here. So we are going to put the database, which is the folder here, the database, and under inside the database, which is our connection. So if we are going to refresh that again, so the new user successfully added. So if we are going to type in again our user here, so we are going to, so this is our password 1 to 5. New user successfully added. So this is the data of our sign up. So this is the last name, first name, and as you can see here, our password is encrypted. So this is, so our sign up form is working, and next is our login. So I've already fixed the, so as we can see here, there is an error here if we click the login. So as you can see that in this screen, so we have an error. So we are going to fix that in our code here. I forgot that the password is incorrect, so we are going to enter again password and login. Wait, we are going to refresh this page and type in again password, click login. So there is no error, and the sign up button or form is successfully. So this is our users here, the user ID, the names, the password. As you can see here, the password is encrypted, and this is our last name and first name. So next is we are going to working with next with our login button. So here in our Visual Studio Code, inside in our pages, we are going to create a new file, and here in our page and create a new file and name it as login.php. So here in our login.php, I have already the code which from the example of our instructor, my instructor, which, and then we are going to paste and we are going to edit this one. So guys, we have, if you are going to create your own a custom form in sign up and login, you can also work with that, and also you can refer in our Bootstrap website. For me, I have already copied and from my instructor, and we are going to edit this one. Here in our avatar, we are going to put our avatar here, that png, and here also put an icon avatar here, that png. And in our action, we are going to put the process folder here, process, and next is inside the process, which is the login.php, login check.php. But in our process, we are going to create a file which name is logincheck.php. So here we are going to type the logincheck.php. logincheck.php. Click enter. And here we are going to copy the code and paste it here. So I have already the code, so this is the code. So here in our login.php, if we are going to refresh this one and click the login, so there is an error here, so we are going to fix this. So here in our submit, we are going to click and it will go to the action which is process, and inside the process which is the login check. So it will check the users using method post, and it will go to the login check here. So if we are going to the login check file, so this is the asset which is name is form. Here the required ones is our database, and inside the database is our dbcon here. So this is our connection to the database, and select from our table from the database where username and password. So after that, after you log in, and it will check this form here or fields here, which is this one, the user ID, username, name, and here we are going to rename it as login. This is the button here, that this is our button here. If we are going to click, so our avatar here is overlapping. I have already fixed the avatar icon. So if we are going to refresh again our website, so this is our icon here. I've already fixed this one. So this is our login form here. So this is our login form. If you type your name, a username and a password, it will go to the dashboard. So but we don't have a dashboard yet, so we will come up to the error which is 404.